Hi there, friends. It's long overdue that we do a video here on the roast, and I have been roasting like crazy on this thing. I've been doing samples, quality control, even a local fundraiser, and just cranking out hours on this machine. I think it's time to do a deep cleaning. So why not put it on film and just show you a walkthrough, little tips and tricks that I've learned around the way. And for all of you roasters out there, roasters, I still got to work on it, roast. I hope that this is helpful to you. And so let's go ahead, let's tear in, don't tear it down. Now, before we do any of the opening, I just unplugged the back of the machine here. So make sure that your power is off from the wall, off from the back of the machine, and then you can begin safely. So this machine is really well built. The team, they wanted us to be able to tinker, to be able to fix, to be able to solve. And so as you take something apart, just do it carefully, do it slowly. If you have this machine, then you like to work on things. But if not, if in doubt, contact Trond and Sphere and the team. They will get in touch with you. Roast help, roast support is awesome. You can also reach out to me anytime on my YouTube videos. There's contact, email, newsletter. I've got a bunch of trainings. I'd like to put some roast training together, how to use this machine, how I've learned how to use this machine anyways in the last couple years. So with no further ado, let's jump on in. Depending on how your machine is set up, probably like me, you're going to want to remove the exhaust first. Bear with me as I move back and forth here behind my camera, in front of my camera. So you probably put the exhaust on, so you know how to take the exhaust off. But go ahead and take that off, then we can turn the machine, get around. So already we can see here, we've got a lot of nice buildup. I'm gonna take this off and give it a nice shaking, a nice cleaning. We're going to get into the back of the machine. I'd like to clean back here. This is really, it's really built up in there. So I'm going to clean back there. And then we'll get inside of this shield. You can see the dust has built up there. So this is just airflow. Depending on where you're roasting, you might have more or less buildup. And then we'll actually be pulling off the top plate so that we can get into the front of the machine. I'd like to get into the drum, and I'd like to do some drum cleaning because I've been, like I say, I've been putting in the hours and getting this thing nice and dirty. Finally here, just go ahead and get some simple tools. So I've got needle nose, regular pliers. I've got a multi screwdriver that I can change. And then I got this little set of star wrenches. Let's see if we can focus in on that. So the tip of this is a star tip. And you can't see it. It's a T8. So the T8 is for the little screws that are on top here. If you've seen those screws, then you can get a T8. And that little kit, that wasn't very much. Go ahead and grab yourself some cupping bowls or something to put some of your loose screws in and take it from there. All right, so we're set up. We're ready to go. Next section, start the teardown.